Welcome back, Tech Explorers. Today, we've got an exciting mid-range device from Infinix, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. A budget-friendly phone with features that pack a punch. Let's dive into what makes this phone stand out in the crowded market. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with a stylish and modern design, featuring a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, this screen is built to deliver crisp visuals and buttery-smooth scrolling. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, this display is a treat for your eyes. Under the hood, the Hot 50 Pro Plus runs on the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, which strikes a good balance between performance and efficiency. It's paired with 8GB of RAM, making multitasking and mobile gaming smooth and lag-free. The phone also comes with either 128GB or 256GB of storage, which is more than enough for all your apps, games, and media. And if you need more storage, no worries. It also supports a microSD card for expandable memory. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, you'll find a 50MP primary sensor as part of the triple camera system. It delivers sharp and detailed photos, perfect for everyday photography. You also have dual-LED flash for enhanced low-light shots. The front features an 8MP selfie camera, which might not be the most high-end, but it will definitely get the job done for casual selfies and video calls. Powering the Hot 50 Pro Plus is a 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a full day of use, even with its 120Hz display. But here is the best part: when you need a quick top-up, the phone supports 33W fast charging, meaning you can get a significant boost in battery life in just a short amount of time. This phone comes loaded with features, including an under-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, NFC for mobile payments, and an always-on display that lets you quickly glance at the time or notifications without unlocking your phone. With a sleek design, powerful cameras, a smooth display, and a solid battery life, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus offers some great value for its price. It's expected to be priced around PKR 69,999, making it a competitive choice in the mid-range market. The official release is just around the corner, so keep an eye out. Let me know in the comments, do you think the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is the best option in its price range? Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech news and reviews.